Hello artists! Today we are going to work on a grid drawing, and a grid drawing is a way that you can duplicate or copy something onto your drawing. And so here the grid's already been drawn for us, but this is a technique you could use on anything. This paper is linked on Canvas, so the easiest option is to print it off, but if you do not have access to a printer, you could use a ruler and make your own grid. It doesn't even have to be this exact size, and you could still complete this project. Just make sure you label your columns and rows, because that will help you make sure you are in the right spot for your drawing. So I am looking at my hand here, and the reason I chose this is because we often think of drawing hands as really challenging, and I think you're going to be surprised how well you draw this by using this technique. I'm drawing my line here, and I know that it is in the third row, and it's starting in column A to column B. So I'm going to that same spot, and I'm using my pencil pretty thick because this drawing up here is pretty thick. I notice as I get to the C column, it starts curving up, continues up, it's now going across D, and almost makes a perfect straight line through E, F. We have a very subtle curve in G, in the tip of that thumb. Right here, this is a great point to make sure I'm in the right spot between rows 2 and 3, in between G and H. Okay, G and H, 2 and 3. I'm coming through. In the F column, I kind of have a lot going on here. I'm going to focus on finishing this thumb, so it's coming down, and then in E is curving up. But in E, I also notice it's making kind of that wrinkle. Okay, and I'm going to use the same technique to draw the rest of the hand. One tip I have, go ahead and get the other side of your wrist sketched in. So I see we're starting in row 6, A and B. And that's just going to help you have the correct size. Sometimes I even like to go in and identify where these fingertips would be. So this looks like it's in 4K. And I can start just lightly sketching that in to make sure that they all fit. When you complete this drawing, please take a picture and submit to this assignment.